Good morning, party people. Welcome to day one of the Australian Fitness Expo here in Sydney. Today is like the industry day, so there won't be as many people around. It's all the people in the know who know what they're doing. Like this man right here, Lane Fletcher.
Sharp knife, everybody. Sharp knife.
So we're here with the team at Epic Sports. We're currently setting up the booth. When I say we, I'm doing nothing right now. I'm talking to you guys.
You're keeping us entertained.
Yeah, you're doing a great job. Come with me. Let's go for a walk. I'll show you around. Come on, quick. So right now the guys are setting up this way. They've got like all the protein bars, the chips, some sample tables. You can purchase all the shakes here. You alright, Nick? Cool. Just check it, mate. So we've got like the grenades. So Epic Sports is the brand that sponsors Milestone and myself. So they look after Cytec, which is my biggest sponsor. Grenade. They look after New Zest. We've got I'm having mental blanks, like protein chips, Peak chocolates. It's like an active chocolate, so it's one for active, and they've got a rest one, and they've got a focus one as well. So they have like ginkgo biloba and lion's mane mushroom, a whole bunch of ingredients there to help with that. So we're selling those. Keep walking this way. This is where you've got like some of the Cytec products. This is my favorite pre-workout right now. If you've checked out my video up, which way do I put? That way, thanks Nick. You can check out my supplement video there. Quick, let's go upstairs. So this is like a little spot where we can kind of just like get away from the crowds and hang out a bit and check over everything. So as you can see here, whole bunch of booths around. We've got Muscle Beach down the other end there, where Cedric and I are gonna be running some seminars this weekend. You've got the Body Science Arena, you've got a functional stage over there where there'll be guys competing. It's just a whole lot of fun. Should we go downstairs again? Quick, let's go. Give me the world's longest introduction. So we're gonna be giving away samples of like pre-workouts and amino acids and stuff like that, which is great because these days are so long. It's actually good to have supplements there to keep you covered. Grenade, they're gonna be doing with Infinity Cycles, so they're doing competitions there. And then around here on Peak, this is where Team Milestone is going to be all weekend. So we are running some pull-up competitions, which you can see right here. So we've got 10 straight pull-ups are going to get you chocolate, 20 straight is going to get you chocolate and a t-shirt, 30 straight is going to get you 12 boxer chocolates as well as a t-shirt and a shaker. And we're also going to give away Milestone tees, which we haven't announced on here yet. I can't imagine we're going to give away too many t-shirts though. 30 straight pull-ups, you're not allowed to drop from the bar, is quite hard. I've done it. Nick hasn't. But it should be really fun. So today is all about kind of getting in with the industry, talking to people who work in gyms. We're here just to hang out. I've got a few stuff going on, so Nick and I are going to head off and shoot this morning with the team from Cytec at City Gym, which you guys have seen in the vlogs before. And then we're back here to hang out. Is that enough of an intro?
I think that's it.
That's the whole vlog, we're done.
That's
see
it,
you guys.
we're done. We'll see you next time.
No, so yeah, come along for the ride today, have fun. You can kind of get a feel for what the fitness show is like here in Sydney. It's a big weekend, we always have fun doing it. We're gonna take you along for the ride. We're back. That was so close for you, I'm so sorry. We're down here at City Gym, our home away from home while we're in Sydney. About to shoot with the team from Cytec. So we've got some of the guys in getting changed right now. You know this facility, you've seen on the vlogs before. So Nick is going to be on shooting duties for this one, mostly photo work. So we're going to get this done. I think probably try and get done within like an hour, so it'll be done by maybe 11:30, and then straight back to the expo. Let's go. We are back like nothing has ever happened. Here at the expo, we got our first contender, well, my first contender visiting here, going through the pull-ups. I don't know if they've realized it needs to be pronated, not supinated, but we'll allow this one. Good morning, party people! Are you already filming? Cool, 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 cool. Oh god. So, we haven't really taken a break from the stand yet. I just had some food. We thought we'd go for a walk around, see what's going on, have a look. How are you finding it? Today's pretty chill. Today's super chill. Being an industry day means it's like a lot of people that work in the industry and are like coming along to like do a meet and greets and just like connect. tomorrow's where all the people come in from the public and they want to just get free stuff.
I do love free stuff.
Yeah, I love free stuff. Free stuff's great. So, want to have a look around, see what's going on. Want to come for a walk? Let's go. So this is Muscle Beach. This is where we're going to be running our seminar tomorrow, Cedric McMillan and I. It's actually looking really good this year. They've actually got a few bits of equipment in here. Last year it was just like an awkward rack in the middle of a few free weights. So this is an upgrade. It's kind of also on the side of the Expo. Last year is front and center, so yeah. Right now, Lane.
Nick's going to do some chin-ups after I just whooped him on the bicycle race.
Alright.
I beat him by 20 kilometers an hour.
Nick, how you feeling?
Pretty confident, man. I've been training my whole life for this.
Yep.
I'm going to smash his face.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do the chin-ups.
Yep. You can do it.
Guys, chin him up. Come on, man. Yeah, I didn't know it was a competition, but sure, you go first.
Nick, you're up first.
Sorry, bro.
Hey, now one strict form, elbows down. That is really impressive. You ready?
See, what he doesn't realise is if he gets 4, he's going to beat me.
Start from the bottom. 1,
Cooked, I'm done.
2,
Come
3,
on, boy.
4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going, keep going. 8.
Nice, bro.
You're almost a chocolate.
Come on. One more.
Well done, son. Alright, lad. Show me how it's done.
Sweaty, I'm nervous.
I know. It's anxiety ridden. 1, 2. It's a whole lot of man. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, come on. 10.
Oh, gotta do one more.
11. Yep, you're the real winner. You're the MVP.
Spartan, are we going to do the whole thing?
Yeah, we did the whole thing. We just showing what the Spartan Race is all about. I've done a few of them. That's where I was in Lake Tahoe last year doing the World Championships. Lane's going to get a taste for it today. Okay, so the fun thing about doing these expos, there's a whole bunch of different like varieties of people. You got supplements, you got gym companies, you've also got things like this, which is the Spartan Race. So as you guys know, I've done this before. Today, Lane and I are going to do the little tester together, have some fun with it. So we've got the man on the mic behind here. Take it away.
Yeah, alrighty guys, bring in the voice. We are here at the Spartan Arena. We're about to throw down 2 and 1. Let's rock and roll around the course. We're going to carry that bag around. All around that
Don't too
course.
fast, okay? That's the deal.
Release Hercules heroes. Here we go. We're going to raise up that flag to the top. Bring it back down. Don't drop it. Alright, on the multi-reel. Then onto the ring. Nice. Alright, we come to climb.
Good climb, great climb.
Utilizing those feet to get your solid grip up and make your climb so much better. Hang on a minute, did you ring the bell? Wow, you were fast.
Wow!
Grand Master Flash right up that road. Alright, we got Chester bar on the floor. We got 10 of those bar batteries with our Honest Fit torsion bars.
10.
Alright, we got to run around to the cargo net.
And you got the bell at the top. Right on there. Come on over.
Who's going to take it down today?
Yeah, well that's it. Lean forward and walk.
These guys are working their way. There it is. Inside the middle of the net.
Oh my goodness me. I'm fit as.
That's it, we're wrapping up day 1 of Sydney Fitness Expo. How you feeling, Lane?
Really tight.
Yeah, that was the Spartan Race, then he deadlifted a car 20 times, so that'll get you. That's gonna do tonight. We're gonna go see some rock and roll music, and then back at it first thing tomorrow morning. Nick is not on filming duty tomorrow. We're testing out a brand new videographer. Nick, you're not good enough, mate. You're a jerk.
Sad face.
Aww. No, Nick has a wedding to go to tomorrow, so we're testing out someone else to vlog. We don't want you to miss out. Come along for the ride. Hope you've enjoyed today. See you tomorrow.